Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that you might encounter in your Makefiles. Today's problem revolves around how to abstract a make prefix that gets repeated multiple times, but encounters issues with the early substitution of variables. This can be quite frustrating, especially when the output directory ends up incorrect due to premature substitution. Now, let's delve into the solution that will help you defer variable substitution in Makefiles. By using the define statement, you can encapsulate the repeated command within a block, allowing for delayed substitution of variables. This snippet of code provides a clean and effective way to ensure the $* is substituted with % at the right moment, aligning with the evaluation of your targets. Expanding on the solution, you can now employ the define build_cmd in various targets within your Makefile. By incorporating this command block intelligently, you can seamlessly execute the desired actions while ensuring proper substitution of variables at the right time. This not only streamlines your Makefile, but also enhances its readability and maintainability. In summary, by implementing the define statement and utilizing the build_cmd within your targets, you can efficiently address the issue of premature variable substitution in Makefiles. This approach offers a powerful abstraction construct, simplifying your Makefile structure and optimizing the execution of commands. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other puzzling problems you'd like us to tackle next time.